Visiting the LEGO store to find our first LEGO mech. No mech here on the Friends section. Only brick heads here. Let's check if the big guy over here is a mech. Not a mech, just a big LEGO figure. Let's check out the marble section if there are any mechs left. These are the kind of mechs that we are looking for. There should be another one here from the Sonic section. There it is, the Knuckles mech. Then we have the Star Wars mechs. And a couple of mechs from Ninjago. What we are looking for should be somewhere here. There it is, the Space Construction Mech. It comes with a mini robot, a minifigure, and the mech itself. Let's buy this and build it at home. The LEGO Space Construction Mech. The first one for our mech collection. It comes with a mini robot, a side build, a minifigure, and the mech. We give this a 5 stars rating, and we highly recommend this. We brought home a couple of mech as well. Let's unbox them next.
Don't forget, subscribe to Zayn Jolly World. See you all on the next episode of
Zayn Jolly Toys, Zayn Jolly Toys, Zayn Jolly Toys. Oh.